Welcome to Loews Portofino Bay Hotel. This place is absolutely beautiful. It's all themed like an Italian style, Mediterranean feel, like you're in, well, Portofino Bay. Loews Portofino Bay Hotel is an excellent resort located here at the Universal Orlando property. It's located just north of all of the parks and City Walk, just past the Hard Rock Hotel. It's Universal's first luxury hotel, opening in 1999. It holds 750 rooms, is designed to look like an Italian seaside village, and it does everything excellently. Loews Portofino Hotel is beautiful. I mean, 2 years ago, Amanda and I took a fairly large trip and we did a lot of Italy. Portofino just really gives you that vibe. There's a shopping plaza that looks just like a little street that you would walk down in Venice. It's beautiful here. Everything is cozy, but another thing that I really like about it is the space that's here. So it's also used for conferences and boardrooms and board meetings and things like that. So there's a lot of space to explore the Portofino Hotel, and a lot of spaces where there's no one. Like right now, there's no one around me, and that's really nice at a Universal hotel. So if you're thinking about getting some time away and just taking a breather on your own, this is the place to do it. Because Portofino Bay is a luxury hotel, you do get access to free express passes for the parks for all of the guests staying at Portofino Bay, which is awesome. It's also a short boat ride from City Walk and the parks, but if you don't want to take the boat, there's still buses, and there's even a walking trail that walks past the Hard Rock Hotel and spits you out directly next to the Universal theme park. There are 3 pools on property. Each one has cabanas that you can rent. Portofino Bay also does offer a club level. It looks incredible. Let us know in the comments if we should go and see if it's worth it. There's also 9 total restaurants here on property at Portofino Bay, but this does include random small cafes, gelaterias, and bars. There are 3 big restaurants on property. Those include Trattoria del Porto, Mama Della's Ristorante, and Bise Ristorante, and they all are amazing. Let us know in the comments if we should go and rate them. All right, we've checked out Portofino. We've checked out the resort. Now the only thing left is to do a room tour. Welcome to 1300. This is in the East Wing. It's above the Gelateria. Let's go check it out. Look at this place. This place makes it feel like you were transported to the Italian countryside. I am so stoked to bring you along on this room tour. Let's go. As soon as you come in, right to your right, there's this beautiful mirror. You can make sure right before you leave the room that you're good to go, you're looking good, off to the parks. And then down the hallway just a bit to the left is the bathroom. This might be one of the biggest bathrooms I've ever had in a hotel. Like, there's so much space in here. Look at how big this place is. It's massive. This is crazy. I could do cartwheels in here. Everything in this room is excellent. I mean, between the terracotta tiles on the floor, the shower, excellent. It really does make you feel like you've all of a sudden been transported to the Amalfi Coast. They did such a good job. This is a massive dual vanity here that you can get ready in with your partner, no problem at all. They have your makeup mirror mounted to the wall with the interior lighting. This huge mirror, I mean, plenty of space to get ready in. This is an excellent start. Now it's time to move in to the spectacle of this room, the bedroom. This is a 2-queen setup, so there are 2 queens in here, and they are some of the fluffiest beds we've ever laid on. This is awesome. Directly in between the two beds, you have a 2-plug setup. In front of the bed, of course, is the gigantic flat screen TV. Directly beneath it is your drawer, but this is also going to house your refrigerator. Now, this is a mini fridge, so a difference between Disney and Universal is Universal still has mini fridges. Disney, they are drink coolers. They have made a distinction. So that's nice to know, but also there's plenty of storage in these drawers. Also on top of your drawers is going to be your coffee station. It is not a Keurig, but it is Keurig-like. So it's single cup servings. They have the cups here. It's awesome. Of course, you have numerous chairs to sit in. Coming over here to the table, this is going to be your desk, your dining table, your event space, your multimedia headquarters, whatever you need it to be. What's nice about this is that there's a plug in the lamp, 2 plugs in the table, and 2 USBs in the table. Very, very nice to have over here. This can be your charging headquarters. All your electronics are getting charged. They all get in the juice. That about wraps up our tour here at Portofino. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out this small channel. We really appreciate everything. But with all that being said, don't forget to keep the Wanderlust alive, and we'll see you somewhere.